What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Diverse, coming at y'all again on another wonderful, blessed evening, afternoon. You know what I'm saying? To all my people out there that's moving and grooving today, man. Many blessings, much peace, much prosperity to you all. You know what I'm saying? Anyone that's listening, or that's tuning in, man. Many blessings. I just want to, give y'all a little motivation, a little inspiration today. You know what I'm saying? Nothing comes to a sleeper but a dream. You know what I'm saying? And check this out, man. We got to keep moving. We got to keep pursuing. We got to keep dreaming big. But we also got to keep showing a lot of action as well to make those dreams manifest. You know what I mean? So I'm just speaking to the people. I hope everything's been going great with you guys. I hope that you guys got a chance to check out my video about becoming a member of Navy Federal. Basically, you're just giving my experiences of becoming a member and actually moving up to my second credit card with them. And I just hope that I've touched some people. Hopefully that I've gave some people a few gems that can be able to get their account established. I also got some good news for myself as far as being an entrepreneur. We not only working on personal credit this year to finish the year off, I just established my business credit as well. So I just established my business credit as well. So I just got on with the Capital on Tap card, Cap on Tap. It's made for business credit, business funding. And I just got approved for $1,000 limit on that. So I'm able to start off with a little funding, a nice amount of funding. It's okay, but the limit actually goes up to $50,000. But right now I'm starting off with $1,000 limit, so that's pretty cool. It's pretty decent for me just starting off with business credit through NAV. So I'm gonna get into a lot of things on how to help y'all establish a NAV account and how to get your business on the map as far as establishing business credit and getting in good with these lenders. You know, I'm gonna touch on a lot of things, these net 30s, these net 60s, net 90s, and just give y'all some gems on how I've grown and the things that I've learned and things that I'm being introduced to with building credit and establishing credit. So y'all know this channel is just all about, you know what I'm saying, reaching out, financial literacy, empowering my people. And that's what we're trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Just give you my knowledge, things that I've been through on my credit journey. And I just hope I can help someone out there. If anybody got any questions, y'all already know what to do. You can feel free to comment, link with me, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share. And I can definitely respond back. I also have a referral link for my Capital One on Tap card as well, so I'm gonna be leaving that in the description. So just look out for the video. I'm gonna be dropping it soon, maybe the next day or so. And I'm gonna give you guys a lesson on, well, really, I might just wait until I actually get the card. It's coming in like a few days, like 5 to 7 business days, you know what I'm saying? So I might just wait until I just get the card so I can at least show you guys what it looks like and all that. So that way I can look more of a person that actually has been through it and has the card rather than somebody that's just speaking on something that they don't have, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a way for me to, I guess, look more authentic for you guys. Yeah, man, we just trying to improve this year. I wish everybody the best, man. You know what I'm saying? I know we all go through different things in our journeys in life. But no matter the circumstances, it's always a lesson. And whatever issue you're going through, it's always a lesson. It's always a learning experience, you know what I'm saying? So just keep your head up out there. Keep moving, keep pursuing, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm just in the middle of getting my business and stuff established so I can build my business up. Looking to do some things with having my own recording studio soon. So speaking that into the universe and speaking that to God, and just hoping that everything moves fluently for me. You know what I mean? We just trying to live. We just trying to do bigger things and dream bigger. So I think that'll be good for my community if I start me a nice studio and branch it out and do some other bigger things on other levels with different business ventures. You know what I'm saying? So we're just trying to grow. You know, nothing happens overnight, but we definitely willing to go through the fight and the push to get ourselves where we need to be. And I wish you guys the same thing. I ain't gonna hold you guys up. I'm gonna keep it moving. Peace and love to you all. And keep moving on your journey, you know what I'm saying? 1,000. Holla at your boy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share. Peace and love.